Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by choosing the correct SSD and enclosure for this project. Pick either a 5-inch SATA SSD or an M.2 NVMe module depending on your enclosure. Buy an enclosure that supports USB 3. 1 Gen 210 Gbps for top speed or USB 3.05 Gbps for budget builds. Choose a capacity like 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB based on your needs. Confirm the enclosure uses USB-C, open the enclosure and install the SSD using the provided screws and thermal pad. Align the M.2 or SATA connector carefully and secure the drive inside the case. Use a short 0.5 USB-C or USB 3.0 cable to reduce signal loss and ensure better power delivery. Connect the enclosure to a USB 3.1 port on your computer and wait for the system to detect the new device. If a drive does not appear, reseat the SSD or try a different cable or port. Initialize and format the SSD using Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac OS. Choose XFAT for cross-platform compatibility when sharing files between systems. Select a reasonable allocation size or leave default settings for general use. After formatting, label the drive so you can identify it quickly on any system. Always use safe removal or eject before unplugging to avoid data corruption. Prefer large file transfers and backups rather than using the drive for constant swap or temporary OS paging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.